Struggling with hair that's dry, frizzy, or lifeless? It's time to let your strands breathe, heal, and shine. No matter how much you wash or style, your hair still feels dull, rough, and hard to manage. Meet the EvoBeauty Leave-In Treatment Collection. Each variant is made to target your unique hair concern. No rinse, no hassle, just results. Garlic extract strengthens weak strands, reduces breakage, and revives growth. Oats and collagen deeply hydrates, smooths frizz, and restores softness. Watercress and hyaluronic acid plumps hair with moisture, shine, and volume. Onion extract stimulates hair growth, enhances shine, and revives lifeless hair. Transform your hair from dull to divine effortlessly. Just leave it in and let EvoBeauty do the magic. Shop now.